In this tutorial, we will look at the TranslaCall application. TranslaCall is used to translate phone calls. With this feature, you can talk to people from all over the world on the phone. It's the world's first and only telephone call translator. It will translate both what the caller is saying and what you're saying. To launch the application, you go into the menu and select TranslaCall. You set your language and then set the language at the other end of the phone and press OK. In order to set your language, you simply just tap the flag and you will see a list of available languages. Then you just select the one to activate it. Hit OK and you'll be ready to make the phone call. Once the phone call is being made, hit start. Here, once the person answers the phone, you will need to play the voice instruction by playing it out on loudspeaker next to your phone, which should also be on loudspeaker. Once the instruction is completed, you can begin translating by pressing the speech recognition button that corresponds to your language, and after hearing its name and the beep, start speaking. You will have to do the same for the person on the phone as well. Here is an example calling a Spanish restaurant.
Hola, buenos días. ¿En qué puedo ayudarle?
Hola, la persona que llama no habla su idioma, por lo que esta conversación se traducirá con el traductor vasco. Después de escuchar el nombre de su idioma, puede comenzar a hablar y sus oraciones se traducirán automáticamente. Disfrute la conversación.
Sí, no hay problema.
English.
I'd like to order a hamburger and fries, please.
Me gustaría pedir una hamburguesa y patatas fritas, por favor. Español.
¿Quieres algo de beber?
You want something to drink. English.
Yes, a bottle of mineral water, please.
Sí, la botella de agua mineral, por favor. Español.
Muy bien. ¿Desea algo más?
Very well, wish for something else. English.
No, thank you.
No, gracias. Español.
Muy bien. Ahora procedemos al pago.
Very well, now we proceed to the payment. English.
Yes, of course. Here are my details.
Sí, por supuesto. Aquí están mis datos.
And this is how the TranslaCall feature works. You simply go back and you can leave the conversation. Just note the conversation history is not saved for TranslaCall conversations, but this is how the TranslaCall feature works with making phone calls.